Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, April 3rd. It is Good Friday today. Wishing you a wonderful Easter weekend. Happy Passover if you celebrate that. Passover is going on now too. We celebrate both in my house, so it's a very festive weekend. My sister and her family are coming. Well, today on Friday. I always film my Friday hauls on Thursday, but looking forward to having a fun weekend with family. But I do want to show you, of course, what I got this week. Lots and lots of dies and a haul from Hobby Lobby too. So let's get started. The first order comes from colormenordic.com. I will link them down below. They have these, the gummy pan dies, gummy pan. I forget where they're from. Yeah, I don't remember. But anyway, they don't sell them in a lot of places, but Color Me Nordic online is a great place to get them. And they're really reasonably priced. This one is called, it doesn't say on the packaging, but I have it on my invoice, the Cute Picnic Basket. And this was the most expensive one. This was $3.49. But yeah, you could see that picnic basket, how cute that is. It's got a little wine bottle, a little jam jar, and a baguette coming out of a wrapper. So I think that's why it's a little bit bigger than some of them, even though it is only about 1.5 inches by 1 3/8, just to give you an idea. And these don't come with layers, but you can either fussy cut or use your, color pencils, markers, watercolor, whatever to change the color. So I got that one. There are a bunch of them that I liked from this release. It's a new release. This bunny I just fell in love with. It's got the stitching lines here. It's just so sweet and simple. This one's called the Stitched Rabbit. This one was also $3.49. So those two are the most expensive ones. I got this one called the Laying Hen. This was $1.99. Isn't she cute? She's also got stitch lines there. And she's just nice and fat. And I just love the position that she's in. So got that one as well. Okay, this one is a border. It's called the Border with Strawberries and Flowers. So you could see that is a little strawberry, if you could tell, and a flower, and it alternates, and the strawberries are going in different directions. So it cuts out this border with also the eyelet detail, and it's scalloped. So this would measure, just in case you want to know, about 6 inches. So yeah, also very, very cute. Sorry I didn't get a chance to test these out for you yet. Next, we have the strawberry leaves. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, this was $2.49. Oh, this was $2.99, by the way, the border. So $2.49 for the leaves. And I like these because this one has like the edge is turned up a little bit. So I thought that was interesting. And this one too, it's turned up a little. Oh, my furnace just turned on. I hope you can't hear it. Oh, it's been so cold, but it's supposed to be like 75 over the weekend. So crazy spring weather. And then I think this was the last one I ordered. This is called the Grass Border, and this was $2.99. And I don't have any borders that look like this irregular grass, And then it even has some grass blades there too. So I thought that was really unique and interesting. And you guys know, I have so many dies. This is 4¼ inches. Great for an A2 size card. Between my design team work, I design for 2 die companies, and ones I've bought myself, and I've designed for other companies off and on over the years. I have so many dies, but these, I don't have anything like these. And this whole order cost, let's see, $23.19, and that includes $5.75 shipping. So, just a little treat for myself. So I got that, and then, okay, I went to Hobby Lobby this week, and, oh, wait a second, I didn't show you my freebies. They always send freebies from Color Me Nordic, so they sent me this one, which is a little chick coming out of an egg, and I love the little background they use for that. Isn't that cute? Teeny tiny. And then this one too, which is a little hedgehog. I think they might have sent me this one before, but I love it. So cute. And then this one is the teeniest, tiniest. It's a little bow, just with the loops hanging down. So they're so nice to send those freebies, I thought. And shipping is definitely reasonable. It came in a padded envelope, so very nice. Okay, back to Hobby Lobby. So I needed to get some gift bags, and I finally got these. Sorry, just trying to organize. This set, I think they're always half price, the gift bags or gift wrap. So this was $3.99. I'm pretty sure, I don't have my receipt here, but I'm pretty sure it was half price. So it would have been $2, maybe it's 40% off. I really don't remember, I'm sorry. But it comes with 4, and those are the different patterns. So just lovely, I thought. Good for all occasions. And then I got the blue set too, which is a little bit different. And it's nice that they have the ribbons for the handles too. And this one has that for those are the patterns. But that one, I think I'd like the blue ones even better. Just so, I love dainty florals like that. So I picked those up, and then I got these in Paper Studio was 40% off. So I got the red, white, and blue stars. I thought that would come in handy for some summery projects. These are kind of bright, but you could always dull them down with some alcohol ink. So it was $2.99, but 40% off. And then I got some new charms. Well, they're new to me. I don't know how new they are. Charm Me does not go on sale anymore, but it is a reasonable price anyway, $3.49. And these are little cherry soda cans. You could see, I think, the detail on the top of the cans. Even got like the pull tab pulled up. And they're just super cute. Pink cans with red cherries and gold hardware. And they both come with those little clasps too, or it says clip-on charm, I guess. I don't know. I wouldn't call that a clip, but anyway, got those too. And then these ice creams, there are 3 each of the pink, the yellow, and the brown. So vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. And there's even like texture on them, which is really cool. $3.49 for these, also a great price, called Resin Ice Cream Cone Charms. And I thought they were squishier than resin, but nope, they're resin. And the cones, you can even see all that detail there. They're like, they have holes in them, just like a real cone. So I thought that was really cute. I don't know if these are new. They're probably semi-new. And then this one, this one I don't think I've ever seen before. It's this cute little goose. It was $4.99, but it's bigger and heavier than the others, and it's kind of interactive too, like those little, if you move him, the boots move. See? So cute, right? And it's kind of like muted colors, so it'll go with that Silly Goose collection from Cardabella. And she's holding, or he's holding a bouquet of flowers. So yeah, I got that for that collection. So that is it from Hobby Lobby. And I wanted to show you the new KSCraft collection. If you saw my video yesterday on Thursday, I uploaded some new projects that I made with the April release, but I'm kind of doing this a little backwards. I wanted to show you the April release right now. Okay, so the dies are, there's a lot of like animal dies and then 90s theme dies. So I think I kind of have them all mixed up. So I'll link KSCraft on AliExpress down below. I'm not going to link all the individual dies, but you'll find it once you get to KSCraft. So this is the animal shadow words, and it comes with your, possum, stay, positive, sloppy, goes with kisses, hello, treats, I woof you, doggy, and fur rend. And they all come with shadows, and they're pretty script font. Some of the letters are separated from the others, but a lot of them are connected, so it doesn't take you long at all to paper piece those together. And I used one sentiment in a project. This one I used in a project as well. It's the vintage TV shaker. So yeah, this is just an old school television, and I was a kid in the 70s and we had a TV like this. So yeah, comes with knobs, all the layering pieces to make it into a shaker. Check out my video. I have an example of that, and I also have an example of this one, which is the wavy trifold card. Very fun to put together. Put all your pattern papers to good use, and yeah, it makes a really, really cute card, and lots of different things you could do with that, including pockets and folios. Okay, and this is the last one that I used in my video yesterday. This is the Cat Tree mini album, and it comes with all these different cats you can add to your mini album or to your cat tree, you know, customize them, the colors of your animals, and oh, this was so fun to put together. And next is the dog paw mini album. So it's got a big dog paw. It's as big as a human hand, even bigger, with the 3 different levels or layers, and then 2 different dogs. Well, it's the same dog, but facing different directions. So super cute. And then there's this cute dog too. This is the cute dog mini album. So you've got the dog paw mini album and the cute dog. And this is just like a big version of these little dogs. So adorable, and it comes with the collar and heart tag too. So adorable. And this is like a smaller version of the Cat Tree mini album. This is an A2 cat tree. So if you make this cat tree, it'll fit on an A2 size card. Just smaller than the other one, but looks like everything else is the same. And then we have the cat mini album. Can't be outdone by the dog one. So yeah, this one has like cat sunglasses and just all the different layering pieces for the cat. So yeah, that one's cute. And there's a cat paw too. So this is the cat paw, and then the dog paw looks like this. So the cat one has smaller toe beans and also claws, because, you know, our cats have their claws. Well, if you don't declaw them. Then we have this one, which is Cute Cats. Yeah, it's a different label, but this one looks like the cat mini album, but just in the smaller version. And it looks like there's a couple different ones, like a boy and a girl cat. Here this one doesn't really fit the well, I guess you could make it 90s, but it's a lunch pail and thermos. So it makes like a old school lunch box with the thermos that's included in the lunch pails. So I think that'd be really fun to make, like, you know, like a strawberry shortcake theme or something from your childhood. I think that would be really cute to make. And it looks like 2 different sizes. Next we have the 90s sentiments, which I did not look at yet. Take a look. And this is a really good 90s font, if you could see that. So that one is Talk to the Hand, if you remember these sentiments, if you're old enough to. Then we have That's Rad. They all come with shadows. Bodacious. We have Booyah, MTV, which is no more. Fresh. And then As If, Sup, and Like Totally. So yeah, those are definitely 90s sentiments. I'll just leave that out for now. Okay, next we have the jukebox box card. And I think in Hannah's April video, which I'll link down below, she said that she had this ready to go for a release, and she just included it into this one because although it's not 90s, it's kind of like a retro one. So yeah, it makes a super cute old school jukebox. And then this one is a large binder keeper. It looks like it was inspired by a trapper keeper, which we had in the 80s too. I think they came back in the 90s, but I think the original one was in the 80s, which when I was a teenager in the 80s. So yeah, that's super cute. And Hannah's example really did look like an old school one that you can open and use as well. Next, we have the roller skate shaker tags. So this, I know she said that there was a problem with the manufacturing of this one, and you will get like all 4 of them. This one only contains, oh no, this one contains 4. But they were supposed to be like different directions. So look on the product page, you'll see the correct set that you get. Next we had the caboodles, also retro and then came back, or it was, no wait, it was out in the 80s, I'm pretty sure, when I was a teenager, and then it came back in the 90s. So the caboodles are there, those, you know, totes for your makeup and stuff. This is a boombox purse, also was in the 80s, but 90s too, a boombox. It's got a cassette there too, that's so cute. It's got like notes on the handle, love mix. That's going to be super fun to put together, and Hannah's example was totally adorable. Next we have the new game machine. So this makes, I don't know my game machines, guys. Maybe a Game Boy. It says gamer, happy birthday. I think it said gamer girl and gamer boy, and then all the different controls too. So there are gamer girls too, not just boys. And then the last one to share with you is the record folding box. And this, there are a couple different ways you could put this together, but it looks like a old school record player, which, you know, everyone's into vinyl again these days. So it's retro and still in style and still being used today. So those are all of my, all of the dies from the KSCraft April release. I'll link her shop down below, and I will link the Color Me Nordic, where is that? Color Me Nordic dies down below too. These, they're just so cute and little, love them. What else do I want to share with you today? I'm going to be doing a review. You know, Ohuhu, they have sent me acrylic markers before. They have a new one, a new kind out, so they sent them to me. I'm going to be testing that, and I'll share those with you next week, I'm pretty sure. I'm also working on some new Scrap Diva design projects. The new release comes out on the 8th, which is next Wednesday. If you look in my previous videos, I showed you the entire release, including some examples, so I hope you got a chance to see that. If not, go ahead and take a look at your leisure. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter to everybody who celebrates. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please leave me a comment. I would love to hear what you're doing. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Take care, you guys. Bye.